Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be really fun to do a April favorites video. Well, I have a lot of products right in front of me and it's not just makeup, by the way. Okay, so let's get into it. The first product is a nail kit. So this one is from Nail Career Education. This is the Builder Gel kit. And I absolutely love this. I just took out a few things from the kit that I want to share that I absolutely love from the kit because I already do have a full video on me using this kit. So I will link that down below. Like I said, I just want to show you some things. One thing that I love that it had in the kit is a fake finger to practice applying any type of nail application, which I think is amazing. And then I also love that it came with, this one is a little bit dirty because I've done a lot of nail sets on it already. Alright, it's so pretty. I love this little nail towel. And here is, it's again really dirty. I'm gonna have to clean the bottle because that is just disgusting. This is the NCE Susie's Glass Nails Builder Gel. And this is probably my favorite builder gel that I've ever tried. I have tried like the ones in the bottle, but I just really like this builder gel. It's so good. And it also comes with some really good files. I love these files. They're amazing. So this one is the sanding sponge. There's a fine, a medium, and a coarse file. I'm not going to go back to other nail files because these are just too good. I love these files. And it also came with a top coat, and she uses this all the time on her YouTube channel. This is the NCE Nail Career Education Reveal Gel Top Coat. There's something about this top coat that I absolutely love. It is just amazing. Last thing from the Builder Gel kit from Nail Career Education is a nail oil. I really love this nail oil. This is the Cherry Blossom Cuticle Oil, and I really do like that it's in a dropper rather than a brush on cuticle oil. I just really like that it has the dropper. I think that is so cool. Another thing that I got from the Builder Gel kit that I did forget to mention that I really appreciated in the kit is some lint-free pads. I don't have any lint-free pads, and when I saw this in the kit, I was so happy. It's just amazing, and it's a really good thing to have when doing your nails. Next, let's talk about some hair care items. So I have two hair care items that I absolutely love that were recommended from the Blowout Professor here on YouTube. I have been loving his YouTube channel. It's definitely very helpful for taking care of your hair. I will link his channel down below. Like I said, it's definitely really helpful. So the first thing is a hair oil. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. I've tried so many hair oils and I've done the hair oiling, but I don't think that hair oiling is the best thing for your hair. I just apply the hair oil on my ends, and then with what's left on my fingertips, I just apply it to the rest of the hair. Most of the hair oil is going to be on the ends of the hair, and then the rest is going to be very lightly distributed throughout the hair. And this is probably the best hair oil that I've tried. It doesn't leave my hair and feeling very oily. It's just really nice and lightweight hair oil for my hair type, and I just love it. Another thing that was recommended from the Blowout Professor on YouTube is this leave-in conditioner. I've tried a lot of leave-in conditioners. I am actually testing one right now from L'Oreal. I don't know how I feel about it. I did test it before and I was like, yeah, it's okay. I'm giving it another chance just to test it out to see if I actually like it. This is the Pureology Color Fanatic leave-in conditioner, and I use actually these two things every morning right when I wake up, just for a little mini hair care routine in the morning, and I absolutely love it. It definitely is one of my favorites for having really healthy hair. Now let's get, kind of going back and forth now. So this next product is a new launch from Ravie Beauty. I'm wearing it right now. This is the Ravie Beauty Easy Everyday Brow Pencil, and I have the shade Taupe. I absolutely love this brow pencil. One of my favorites. It's definitely, I think, better than the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's just too good. I really do love it. I did want to mention a book in this video because I've been loving it. I started it and it's just one of my favorites, probably my favorite out of the series so far. This is the Sunrise on the Reaping by Susan Collins. This is the 5th book of the Hunger Games series. I just absolutely love it. I also did get the audiobook as well, I recently started really liking to listen to audiobooks, so I have the actual physical book and an audiobook of this book. Love it. It's, like I said, definitely, I think, my favorite out of the entire Hunger Games series. Okay, a foundation that I have been loving is the Anastasia Impeccable foundation. There's just something amazing about this foundation. I absolutely love it. This is the shade 1CR. The sticker on the bottom of it actually came off, so I just stuck it onto the back so I can just keep it and remember what it's called and the name of the shade. I just love, I've been really wanting to find a good matte foundation, and this one's it. This one is just amazing. I love it. I'm not wearing it today, but I just really, really like it. A few things from Makeup by Mario that I recently picked up. Recently picked up the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. I didn't get the Perfector. I should have gotten the Perfector as well, but I was like, I already have a bronzing powder, so I was like, I don't know if I actually need it. This one is in the shade Light. I love this. This is amazing. And then a cream blush that I got from Makeup by Mario is the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in the shade Perfect Pink. I'm wearing it today and it's just so amazing. I love the shade, and I actually apply these two products how he says to apply them. Always apply it like how he says now, because they're just two amazing products. And the last thing from Makeup by Mario that I got is the new mascara, the Master Mascara. I still have to give it another go. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I definitely do have to try it some more. Okay, next is these brushes from BK Beauty. I think these were the Essential Brush Collection. I can't remember. I will link it down below. These are I think BK Beauty brushes are my new favorite brush brand. They're just so good. And I also got an individual brush as well. This is the 208 brush. I wanted something very, very small for a liner brush, and I found this one and I was so excited. It's so nice. I did want to try the Rare Beauty liquid contour, so I picked one up. I have the shade Gentle and I'm wearing it right now, and I absolutely love this. This is a liquid contour that I've been looking for, and I really do like it. I love the shade. The shade is perfect for my skin tone, and it's just amazing. It's really good. So I've been wanting to get a new curling iron, and I found this one at Walmart. I don't remember the name, but this is from Conair. It's a bigger barrel than I'm used to, but I do really like it. It's probably the best one that I've tried. It's really good, and I really like the color. I love the color of this one. Next, we have a highlighter from Dior, the Backstage Glow Face Palette. This is the shade 01 Universal. I love it. It is so good. I'm wearing the champagne color today, and it's just so pretty. I love it. I've been looking for another like hydrating toner, and I found this one from ITK. I just love ITK skincare, and I found this one. This is the ITK Hydrating Milky Toner. It gently hydrates and calms the skin, and also preps the skin for makeup. I love it. So good. Another product from Brooklyn and Bailey. This is from Lash Next Door. This is the Lash Next Door mascara in Blackout, and I just ordered the brown mascara. I love this mascara. It's one of my favorites. I'm wearing it right now actually, and it's just really good. I am super excited to try the brown mascara that actually just came out like a few weeks ago, or a few days ago actually, and I just love it. Okay, that was everything that I've been loving throughout the month of April. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!